j330 j3 2017 LCD screen replacement repair. This one is almost same as J5, so just heat up the screen and then start removing it from the front side. You don't have to open the back side for this phone. Watch for the connector, just carefully disconnect the connector and then clean the housing all sides very well. That done, this is the new screen, so we're gonna just test this screen on it. It seems battery is low, so I will be going ahead with the charging first. So I've tested the phones, now we will be going ahead with the installation of the new screen. I will be adding some glue as well. However, the screen comes with the self-adhesive tape, but I am still will be adding some glue on it, but it's always optional. Yeah, just connect the screen here. Before attach to the housing, just make sure if it's working fine. Yes, it is. So now we'll be going ahead with the rest of the installation. I am using some elastic bands here and let it dry for about 2 hours. The phone is ready.